today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing of, let me cover up, ColourPop, which is the Becky G collection that I ordered. So let's just jump right in. If I can open it. Here's a ColourPop sheet that says take us on a sleigh ride. Okay, so I ordered the entire collection right here. So the first two things are the highlights right here. So let's see, this one is Princess. Ooh. Oh, pretty decent size. Her signature ColourPop has little flower designs on this all around. You can see. Let's open her up. Little holes so you won't take out the whole thing. I just got my nails done yesterday and I don't know how to function. Here, let me get my tweezers. Oh, jump of it. Just a couple of it just jumped off. Holy damn. What is that? This one's cheese, man. Apparently it's gonna be, oh, it was slightly loose. Oh, damn. Mine, I don't know how that happened. Like, it broke out of its plastic that I'll just get it from right there. Ooh, look at this one. This one's definitely a hint of goldish and a lot of it. This one, this one's really light. This one's not. I'll put some on my nose. So let's just get started with a little, let's just jump right in. First time using them, of course, because I just unboxed them. So we're gonna start off with Luna on the lid. Ooh. Okay. I just tapped it, so it's, you can say it's pigmented. That's a good base right there. Now let's pick up my, oh my god, there's no name on my brush anymore, but it's a rose gold from Morphe. Now let's go to Caramelo, which is this light brown. It picks up a lot, so that's good. A little bit of fallout, but what shadow doesn't do that? Blend that on. 'Cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately. Looks good. They blend pretty good. I'm gonna get a smaller one. Oh my god. This is Morphe M514. What a barely number, you can see. Now I'm going to get Malbec, I believe, which is this one. It's kind of like a reddish brown. Okay. I'm gonna tap. Now I'm going to get Sangria right here. On the camera it looks red, like very rare, but you can see right here. Oh, that quite a few. just to deepen up that Melvic shade.
Easy come, easy go. No need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go. No stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go.
First brush and blend all that. Okay. No, I dropped my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and put on Estrella on it. Now, I'll take my finger. I always do that. I almost poked my eye out. Now I'm gonna mix Sangria and Melvic. Just so I can adjust all around. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the other eye, added eyeliner, which I haven't done in a very long time. And I applied my lashes, and like always, I am using, sorry, Jenny 69, the Baddie B lashes, and Sugar Baby. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I hope you guys liked it as I did. So as you saw, it was a very crazy unboxing, but you guys saw in my highlights, you know, one of them was slightly open, but it just had a bunch of little holes on the little seal. The shadow was very good. I liked it. I love the packaging. It's very beautiful. It's so pretty. It reminds me of Cinco de Mayo. And the shades, I mean, they're good. Okay guys, so this wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Pretty please. I will see you guys on my next video.